I first sought cosmetic dentistry from someone other than Dr. Muslin, unfortunately, and so I learned the hard way the price that the dental industry thinks must be paid for aesthetics. That is, I got my top 8 teeth ground down considerably. I'm thinking as it's happening, like, good heavens, this takes a long time. And like, as a joke, I said to the hygienist once it was over, I was like, haha, do I have any teeth left? And she said, you know, the doctor's very conservative, very conservative. We've just removed a very small amount of tooth. She told me a bald-faced lie. Like, at least half of my teeth were gone. And as you can imagine, that left me with pain problems. In my case, I was left with gum problems. And of course, having thicker front teeth than before and an overbite, I was left with problems even trying to eat. I went searching online for what should I do about my veneers that still hurt a month after. And those keywords led me to Dr. Muslin's website, where a blog post described for me point by point what had happened to me. He said, did you get your teeth ground down for fancy veneers from a fancy cosmetic dentist, and now you have sensitivity and loss of biting power? And I thought, this person knows exactly what I did. So I understood from the website that there was like a revolutionary approach going on here, right? But I was surprised to learn that it wasn't just revolutionary like no grind veneers. It was also revolutionary no grind, no surgery, jaw and bite repositioning. For the dental world outside of Dr. Muslin's office, you can have aesthetics or you can have functionality, but they don't necessarily come together, especially not for someone who doesn't have a perfectly positioned jaw and a perfectly positioned bite. What's been so nice and surprising about Dr. Muslin's office is that aesthetics and functionality are like one and the same. They're treated in exactly the same manner, and you don't get one without the other, because sacrificing functionality for aesthetics or aesthetics for functionality doesn't land any of us where we want to be.